Hello everyone. So back to regular expression. So now in today's video we will talk about quantifiers actually. So here you all can see I have written some of the quantifiers in the comment section, that is this part, which is total in comment because of three single quotation start and sorry, here three single quotation start and three single quotation end. Now suppose if I write only A, but right now it is just for example or understanding purpose, you can use any letter, okay? But if you write only that letter, it will be exactly one time A. It means that. Then if I write A or any letter, but plus sign is important. At least one A. That means it you can say in short one or more. If I write asterisk sign, it means 0 or more. It will be 0 or more. And if I write question mark, that is this one, it means it can be 0, 0 or 1. And if I write, suppose inside the bracket some number, like, so exactly that much time you want A or something, any letter. And if it is m comma n, then you want particular range. So let's say, for example, before I start with this, it was like one example where we used to write slash d slash d slash d three times to print this thing, okay? And then again dot, because it can be anything, dash or multiplication, and obviously dot, anything. Then again slash d slash d slash d slash d, again three times, again dot slash d slash d slash d and slash d, control s and fy. So it was like yeah, correctly we are getting this output. But why to write d multiple times like this if we have a concept of this thing? So what I will do, instead of writing digits three times, we know we want digit three times, so I will write first of all slash d, and next to that I will write I want three digits. So in curly bracket I will write 3. Then obviously we want dot or whatever we want. Then again next slash d, again I want 3 times. So inside the curly bracket I will write 3. And suppose next if you want 4 times, so slash d, so obviously we will write, but again curly brackets, and now we will write number as what, 4. So now it is short obviously compared to previous one, control s and f5. We are getting same output only. See, same previous one and this one also. Okay, so coming back to next example, suppose in here we have some names, Mr. Vishal, Mr. Hitesh and all that things. They all are starting with the Mr. and everything. And suppose you are interested in printing only the names of Mr. Okay, so first of all, let me remove this part first of all. Okay, now so you want mr, Mr. Okay, and then suppose you want a dot also, so we have to use a slash and dot. So it is actually for only dot, because otherwise if I write only dot, it can accept anything. Then obviously after that, as I said, what is the meaning of question mark? It can be 0 or 1. Okay, so if I write question mark and then we require space, so I will write slash s, that is for space. So after Mr. dot we have a space, okay, and here also Mr. dot and space, but here dot is not there, that is also very important right now. Then space, and we want characters, so in the square brackets we will write characters from A to Z, or you can say that small a to small z, any kind of character. Okay, and obviously we want full name, not only the first one. Okay, so obviously we will write slash w, and if I write plus sign, what output we are getting, that we will check, that means this one. And if I write multiplication sign, then what output we are getting, that also we will check and we will compare also. First I will write plus sign, control s f5. We are getting Mr. dot space Vishal and Mr. Hitesh. Okay, so now thing is we are getting this two. It is Mr. and there is no dot. Still we are getting, but here Mr. is there, dot is there, but only one letter. So the problem is obviously plus sign will give you one or more. That is the first thing. So instead of plus sign, if I write asterisk and control S, see now we are getting Mr. A. So it can be one word of one letter, then asterisk sign. Okay, you can use because asterisk is used for that purpose only. This third one, it indicates 0 or more, and this indicates 1 or more. And one more thing, if I remove this question mark, control S, okay, and F5. So problem is we are getting Mr. Dot, but we are not getting this Mr. and space. So what is the meaning of that question mark? It means at most one, either it can be 0 or it can be what? 1. That's why we are using what? Question mark. Now suppose you are interested in printing Mr., Miss and Mrs. everything. So other thing will remain as it is, but here instead of only R, what we can do is we can use the group over here. So obviously M is there with everyone, like here you all can see M is there, but some are with M and R, then some are M and S, and some are MRS. So we can write in the round bracket, that is group, actually that is called as group. So we can write, we want Mr., so we can write R. When we can use the or sign because we want S also, Miss or Mr., or you can say that we want RS, that is Mrs. Okay, so now we will check the output of this regular expression, control S and F5. See, we are getting everything. So this is how you all have to write the regular expression. Okay, slowly you can go ahead, like first exactly what you want, next what you want, then next what you want, and you can use slash s wherever required space. You can use a slash w for word, obviously. Then this slash dot will focus only on dot, but it is because of question mark, it will focus on one zero, what you can say, 0 or more. And then this indicates or, it can be R, it can be S, it can be RS. So everything is or, that's why we write in a group, that is in the round bracket, and the first letter is fixed for everything, that's why we are writing in the M4. In my next video we will focus more on example also, regular expression example. So thank you everyone.